Enriching the way you live. These 5 words explain the vision, the philosophy, and the spirit of a group that changed the way the entire nation looks at the real estate industry. The Ansal Housing Group, with its vision to become the most trusted real estate giant, and with its mission to design, market, and build residential and commercial complexes, has reached the pinnacle of success. Today, the group flaunts the most exemplary residential and commercial edifices built in India, and has also carved its niche in the hospitality industry, along with other successful business ventures. The mission to create a new-looking India was started by the founder of the group, late Shri Chiranji Lal Ansal. Today, the vision and the experience of a whole panel of business experts and visionaries have taken the Ansal Housing Group to soaring heights. Today, the yearly turnover of the Ansal Housing Group, along with its sister concerns, has crossed 200 crore rupees. And for us, it is just a beginning. Under the leadership of Mr. Deepak Ansal, the Chairman and Managing Director, Ansal Housing and Construction Limited, is committed to achieving new landmarks in property development, not only in India, but also across the globe. Over the years, Ansal Housing Group has contributed to the building of the new nation, successfully accomplishing high-tech civil engineering and building contracts, construction of power plants, highways, expressways, and above all, nearly 1 million square feet of residential complexes and office spaces. Today, the Ansal Housing Group is the first name that comes to mind when we talk of residential townships and high-rise complexes. Be it Golf Links, the most desired satellite township at Greater Noida, or Ashiana, Lucknow's most modern green and self-sufficient township, or Garden Enclave, the green wonder of Ghaziabad, or the towering complex of Whispering Meadows at Mulund, or Ansal Heights, the grand structure overlooking the sea, or Neelpadam Kunj at Vaishali, or Suryodaya Vihar in Meerut, or Anand Dham at Haridwar. The Ansal Housing Group has created milestones of architectural acumen from Mumbai to New Delhi, which can be called the milestones for the rest of the real estate industry. The group has not only made a mark in India, but in international markets as well, be it the Banswala Lana complex in Bangkok or the 800-acre township Perth Paradise near Colombo in Sri Lanka, the Fairview Tower at Bangkok, and the Tahrir Square in Iraq reflect the recognition that the group enjoys even internationally for its commitment and brilliance. And then comes the most happening and famous constructions from the Ansal Group, the Ansal Plaza at Khelgaon, New Delhi and at Vaishali, the shopping destination perhaps the whole nation is aware of. And to add more glitz to the crown is PVR Anupam Multiplex at Saket, New Delhi, Fortune Arcade, Noida are the other famous addresses constructed by the Ansal Group. When it comes to the most known corporate towers, Statesman House, Tolstoy House, Antariksh Bhavan, Ambadeep, Prakashdeep or Vikas Minar, constructed by the Ansal Group, are not just corporate towers today, but have become landmarks for the entire Delhi and NCR. Also, the classic tower at Rajouri Garden, majestic tower at Vikaspuri Community Centre, Imperial Tower Narayana, Lakshmi Deep, Pragati Deep and Vikas Deep bear testimony of the promise that has been delivered. And this promise is not confined to our country alone. The skyscraping achievements of the Ansal Housing Group and its quest to reach higher saw the group diversify into other businesses as well. Be it the successful foray in the hospitality industry through Ansal's Hotel Limited, which constructed Marriott Welcome Hotel in New Delhi, or the Great Kebab Factory, which has become the most hunted destination of the foodies of Delhi and NCR, or by constructing the most happening clubs in town, like Ansal's Chancellor Club. The group has established that it will exude the same brilliance and finesse everywhere. The towering skyscrapers, enormous townships built by the group, the renowned clientele, and the huge success of the group in India and abroad only reinforce the fact that the Ansal Housing Group will leave no stone unturned to fulfill the dreams of its customers and enrich the way they live.